Good morning students, welcome back to our online classes. Today we are going to discuss the 6th chapter, photosynthesis. Already previous classes also we are discussing the same chapter, and this is the last topic in the chapter, photosynthesis. What is the topic? Is the significance of photosynthesis. In previous classes we discussed about the different parts of photosynthesis. Now we are learning the importance and significance of the photosynthesis. Is it important or not? Yes, it is important. For what? For getting all the energy sources. For sustaining life on earth, photosynthesis is important. For sustaining our life, not only our life, all the living organisms. For sustaining the life of the living organisms is dependent on photosynthesis. Without that photosynthesis, there is no survival of the living organisms. Yes or no? Yes. Survival of the living organism depends upon the photosynthesis. That's why photosynthesis is an important life process, and it is important for this life process is important for what? For getting food from the plants, for getting one of the important gaseous substance is oxygen, and next one is for production of energy and to maintain the carbon dioxide concentration in the nature. For getting these four, photosynthesis is very important. What are those? For getting food, for getting oxygen, for getting energy, and to maintain the carbon dioxide concentration on the earth. And photosynthesis, and that is the reason photosynthesis and respiration are interdependent. Photosynthesis and respiration are interdependent, are irreversible processes. Yes or no? Yes, we can see the differences between photosynthesis and respiration. We can understand how this photosynthesis and respiration are interdependent on each other. First one, photosynthesis occurs only in plants. Photosynthesis occurs only in plants, but respiration occurs in all living organisms. Why? Because by the process of photosynthesis we are getting oxygen. By respiring that oxygen only, all the living organisms are living. That's why by first character both are interdependent. Without the photosynthesis there is no production of oxygen. That's why there is no process of respiration. That's why photosynthesis and respiration are interdependent. And second one, occurs only in light. In the presence of light, the photosynthesis process occurs, but respiration occurs all the time. Whether it is a daytime or it is a night time, respiration can be occurs all the time. In our living period, respiration can be occurs all the time. Next, carbon dioxide, water is used, but oxygen is given out. In photosynthesis process, already we discussed in the last classes. What are the raw materials? Carbon dioxide and water are the raw materials for the process of photosynthesis, and the product is produced is oxygen. Carbon dioxide and water is used, oxygen is given out in the process of photosynthesis. But in respiration, what is the oxygen has been produced by the process of photosynthesis is utilized in the process of respiration and released carbon dioxide and water. Released out or given out. Carbon dioxide and water is given out. What are the end products released in the respiration are used as the raw materials for the photosynthesis. That's why this is the third point is very important in the interdependence of photosynthesis and respiration. Here carbon dioxide and water are used as the raw materials and oxygen is given out. And here respiration, oxygen is used and carbon dioxide and water is released outside. Those are used as the raw materials for the photosynthesis. That's why photosynthesis and respiration are a cyclic process. By maintaining the production of oxygen, by maintaining the carbon dioxide concentration, they are maintaining a balance in the nature. That's why these two are interdependent on each other. Next, energy is stored in the photosynthesis process. The energy is stored in the body, but in respiration, that stored energy has been released. The energy has been released in the process of respiration. These are the main differences between photosynthesis and respiration, and these two are interdependent on each other. This is the significance of photosynthesis. With this, we completed the 6th chapter. I hope all of you are learning thoroughly. All of you should complete the notes and learn thoroughly. We are going to conduct first mid exams in the month of August. Be thorough with the subject. Thank you.